So as I told you, something different. Now what different? The program statement is itself a bit different. Last time it said sum of n numbers where each number will be inputted by the user. Now here I don't say n, that is n5 or n7 will not be inputted by the user. I repeat, whether n is 5 or n is 7 or whatever, it will not be inputted by the user. Instead, the thing is, numbers will be inputted by the user. How many numbers? We don't know at the beginning. We have not done programs like this yet. Numbers will be inputted by the user. How many? I don't know. But the numbers will be inputted. Then how will the user indicate that, okay, these many numbers? Say user wants to input 5 numbers, how will the user indicate? User wants to input 7 numbers, how will the user indicate that 7 numbers? Because user will not enter how many numbers? It says that user, when he starts entering the number, he does not know how many numbers to be inputted. He will input it in runtime. When it is asked for, he will keep on inputting. How many to be inputted, he does not know at that time. But when he has finished inputting, he will know that, okay, I have finished. I repeat my point once more. I am saying that these are 5 numbers. Here previously user knew that he is going to input 5 numbers right from the beginning. Here again, right from the beginning, user knew that, okay, 5 numbers. But now I am saying 7 numbers. Sorry, here user knew from the beginning that 7 numbers. But now I am saying that user does not know at the beginning how many numbers he will input. He will keep on inputting, and when it has ended, he knows that, okay, it has ended. So question is, how will he indicate to the program that, okay, I have completed inputting? For that, let me assume that the numbers that will be inputted by the user will vary within a range of, say, -32767 and go up to +32767. That is, he can input any negative number. Over here he can input any negative number. He can input any positive number. But the range is -32,767 to +32,767. Not above that, not below that. Now why this odd range? What is the meaning of this range? I could have written 32,000. I could have written 3,000. I could have written any number which looks good. Why this suddenly -32,767 and +32,767? I will explain you the reason in coming time. Right now you take that, okay, any number that will be inputted by the user will be within this range. He can input any number, any negative number to any positive number, but the range is always between 32,767 to +32,767. So when he keeps on inputting, now he does not know how many numbers he will input. He keeps on inputting. When it has ended, he knows that he has ended, completed inputting numbers. So it will have to indicate to the program that, okay, I am over, I am finished, because he does not input at the beginning. So it has to indicate that, okay, I have finished inputting. So when he has finished inputting, he will input -32,768, indicating that he has finished inputting numbers. Because if it would have been a proper number, it would have been within this range. -32,768 is just out of that range. So -32,768 to indicate that it has finished inputting. So again, over here also, after inputting 7 numbers, -32,768. Here user, you remember, could have inputted even 1000 numbers. 100 numbers, 1000 numbers, 200 numbers, 500 numbers, any number he could have, any number of values he could have inputted. But to end, he will indicate -32768. So here also the sum will be same. The sum will be absolutely same. But over here he has to add these 7 numbers. Remember, he cannot take this number also. This is only an indication to end. So addition, sum of these 7 numbers is 197. Sum of these 5 numbers is 107. So this is absolutely fine. -32768 only to indicate that it has ended the program. I think I repeat once more. At the beginning, user will not input how many numbers. User will keep on inputting numbers right at the runtime. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers he has inputted. But when he has completed inputting numbers, when numbers inputting is finished, then he will input minus 32768, indicating that he has completed inputting numbers. Here also same thing, he will keep on inputting numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers he has inputted. When completed, he will input minus 32768 to indicate that he has completed inputting numbers. So I think you understand this. So over here, I think you understand one point very clearly, that I will not need the n. I will not need the n. Why not? Because user will not input n. How many numbers to be inputted, that user will never input. User will only input the numbers and minus 32768, indicating that he has completed inputting numbers. Which means this entering n and scanning this n is not at all needed. Which means that I can tell the user enter % numbers comma n is wrong, because I don't know n. I cannot tell how many numbers user will input, that I don't know at the beginning. I can tell the programmer enter the numbers followed by minus 32768 to end. That is what I tell the user, that okay, you keep on inputting numbers, but when you want to end, enter minus 32768. So this is done. Now how to write the program? This part is okay, but how to write the program? See, I was doing while I less than equal to n. You tell me, can I do anything like that? Answer is no. I cannot do anything like that because I don't know n. So there is no point counting I. Why did I use I? If you remember, I was used because I started from I equal to 1. I keep on incrementing I to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on, until and unless I becomes less than, I becomes equal to n. So when I was becoming equal to n, I was going out because I know user will be inputting n numbers. I knew that user will be inputting n numbers. But over here, I do not know how many numbers user will input. So whether I becomes equal to n or not or what, I don't know. So this part cannot be written. In fact, incrementing of I is also not needed, because I am not going to count how many times this loop is going to move. I don't need to count. Instead, I only need to check whether minus 32768 has been inputted or not. So this I equal to 1 is also not needed. The variable I itself is not needed. I get rid of it. But what over here? What do I need to write over here? How to know that the program has, the inputting has ended? I will know by seeing that next val will be equal to minus 32768. Remember that in the first time in the loop, next val will be inputted to the first number, maybe 5. Next time in the loop, or maybe this 100. First time 100, next val scanned as 100. Second time, next val scanned as 23. Third time, next val scanned as 2. Fourth time, next val scanned as 31. Fifth time 3, sixth time 21, seventh time 17 and so on, next val is scanned. Eighth time, next val will be minus 32768. So when it goes to the beginning of the loop, goes to the checking of the while loop, you remember next val will go with a value of minus 32768, which is an indication that inputting has completed. So cannot I write like this, while next val not equal to minus 32768. What I meant to say is, if next val is scanned as 100, next number will be inputted. If next val over here is 100, it is not equal to minus 32768. True. Next val 100, 100 not equal to minus 32768. True. So it gets inside the loop to scan the next number 23. When it comes back, next val is 23. 23 not equal to minus 32768. True. So goes over here, it enters the loop to scan the next number. What is next val? Next val is 2, scanned as 2. 2 not equal to minus 32768 is true, 2 is not equal to minus 32768, enters the loop, goes and scans the next number 31, comes back, 31 not equal to minus 32768, true, enters, scans the next number 3, again comes back to the start of the loop, 3 not equal to minus 32768, true or false, true, 3 is not equal to minus 32768, enters the loop, scans the next number, 21, 21 not equal to minus 32768, true, so it enters the loop again because it is true, scans the next number, 17, 17 not equal to minus 32768, still true, enters the loop, now scans minus 32768, minus 32768 not equal to minus 32768 is false, it will go out of the loop, so it has only scanned those numbers up to minus 32768. But do you notice one thing? First time next value is scanned as 100, 100 added to sum, goes over here, true, enters, 23 scanned, added to sum, 20 goes back, goes to the start of the loop, 23 not equal to minus 32768, true, enters, scans 2, 2 added to next value, and so on it will continue up to 21, say 21 scanned, 21 added to, check this one, the last one, 21, the last time in the loop, or last but one time, 21 scanned, 21 added to sum, goes to the start of the loop, 21 not equal to minus 32768 is true, enters, scans 17, 17 added to sum, goes to the start of the loop, 17 not equal to minus 32768 is true, enters, scans minus 32768. Do you notice one thing? Minus 32768 will be added to the sum this time. Then when it goes, minus 32768 not equal to minus 32768 will be false and it will go out. But last time in the loop, minus 32768 has been added to sum. Is not it so? That means I will have to avoid this next value being added to sum the last time. For that, I will have to do something. You check out what I want to say. Let me run this program once and check out what I mean to say. See, enter the numbers minus 32768 to end. Say I will enter 4 numbers, or say I will, I don't know how many numbers to enter, say 5. I enter 6, I enter 1, I enter 9. Now I feel that okay, I have entered 4, I entered enough numbers, or my list is over, now I want to end. What will I do? I will do minus 32768 to end. But I expect that 5 plus 6 is 11, 11 plus 1 is 12, 12 plus 9 is 21, 21 to be the sum. See what it shows? Instead of showing 21, it is showing minus 32747. Do you understand why? Because 21 with 21 also minus 32768 is being added, which means it becomes minus 32747 over here. The last time in the loop it has scanned minus 32768. So that minus 32768 is also being added to sum, making it 32747. Then it goes over here, minus 32768 not equal to minus 32768 goes out of the loop. But last time in the loop when it scanned minus 32768, that is being added to sum. How can I avoid that? To avoid that, last time in the loop I can write if over here, something new. See, I told you if can be nested within if. Previously I told you within if you can write another if, nested if. Over here within while you are using a if within while, nested if within while, or you can say if within while. Is right? So a block of if within the loop while can be written. If next val not equal to minus 32768, only then you add. I don't need the bracket because there is a single statement within the if. So the if bracket is not needed. The second bracket within if is not needed. Now, what happens this time? See what happens. First time it enters the loop, scans next val, scans a number. It is not minus 32768, adds. Second time also comes, it checks, it is not equal to minus 32768, scans the next number. it is again not minus 32768, adds. In this way, when it comes to the loop, scans minus 32768, it will check that minus 32768 is not equal to minus 32768 is false. So, it will not add, it will go out of the if, it will not get inside the if block. Whenever next val is scanned as minus 32768, it will see minus 32768 not equal to minus 32768, which is false. It will go out of if block. It will go out of if block means what happens as a result? It comes over here, start of the loop, minus 32768 not equal to minus 32768 false, goes out. So, only the numbers before minus 32768 has been added to sum. Check out again, enter the numbers minus 32768 to end. So, let me enter 54, 21, 35, 106, 2, 7, 19, 92. Now, I feel like enough, I want to end. Minus 32768. So, expect minus 32768 will not be added. So, what will be the sum? 54 plus 21, 75 plus 35, 110, 110 plus 106, 216 plus 2, 218 plus 7, 225 plus 19, 244 plus 92, 336. That is the sum, 336. So, you see the program works absolutely fine. It will work. I think you understand this program. You can listen to this part of the video again. If you don't understand, I am sure if you repeat this once more, you will understand. One thing that we see is that I could have written this program in a slightly other way. What is that? There is something called break, a keyword called break. I want to explain this break. What do you mean by break? It means that if you use this keyword break within any if present within a while, then if it encounters this break statement, then it will break out of the while loop, whatever be the condition. I repeat my words once more. Say this is break. Break is a keyword. It means that if anywhere within this if there is a break, within this if you write break. If it encounters this break, then without checking any further while loop or going back to the start of the while loop ever, it will simply break out of the while loop. If it finds a break within the while loop, whatever be the condition, if it finds a break within the while loop, then without going to the start of while loop, it will go out of the while loop. So, given this, I could have written this program in a slightly different way. Instead of this not equal to, I see if next val is equal to minus 32768, you not only want to add, but you also want to go out of the while loop. You know that all numbers have been scanned and added. So, can you write something like this? If next val equal to minus 32768, break. What I mean to say is, while next val is not equal to minus 32768, you are running this program. I am scanning every time. Say first time next val is 100. It is not equal to minus 32768. So, it goes to the while loop. It is not equal to minus 32768, enters, scans the next number. Again a certain number is scanned, not equal to minus 32768. So, this is false, goes out of if, does not enter if, does not encounter the break, goes over here, goes to the start of while loop. again scan, that number is not equal to minus 32768, again scans, maybe 23 is scanned, equal to minus 32768 is false, does not enter if, breaks out of does not enter if means goes out, does not enter if, comes over here means goes to the start of the loop, and so on. You scan minus 32768 to an end. Minus 32768 equal to minus 32768 true, gets inside if, encounters the break first time. What does it do? Simply goes out of the while loop. So till now whatever numbers were there were added. Now where will I add? The add also has to be done. Here you add sum equal to sum plus next value, or maybe sum plus equal to next value. I told you this is another way of writing, sum plus equal to next value. That you do, but over here. So check out what? First time it enters. Next val, you start with a certain number. It comes with a default number 0 says. Next val is 0. I did not do that. I should have done next val. You initialize next val to something, because initially this next val has to be compared with something. Isn't it so? So you do not have any value in next val means it is comparing with any garbage. So it is better is you initialize next val to 0. I should have done it in the previous program itself. So next val is initialized to 0 just randomly. It is not equal to minus 32768. Enters. Now it scans the first number 100. Say I will enter 3 numbers 100, 200, 300. So next val starts over here, not equal to minus 32768. Enters the loop. Scans next val, 100 is scanned, equal to minus 32768. False, comes over here, does not enter if, 100 added to sum, goes to start, 100 not equal to minus 32768, comes over here, 200 is scanned, 200 equal to minus 32768, false, does not enter if, goes over here, 200 added to sum, goes to the start, 200 not equal to minus 32768, starts over here, again scans 300, 300 equal to minus 32768, false, comes over here, added 300 added to sum, comes over here, 300 not equal to minus 32768 true, scans minus 32768, next value is equal to minus 32768 true, comes over here, encounters the break. If is true, encounters the break. As soon as it encounters the break, goes out. So sum, what were added to sum? 100, 200, 300. This program will work absolutely fine. But do you see one thing? I am checking next val over here. So next val is scanned as 100. If it is minus 32768, it will break out. Then why do I need to check this next val not equal to minus 32768 over here also? I can avoid checking over here. I can enter the while loop as it is and scan. I do not need to check anything. I do not need to check anything over here. Suppose this condition is always true. It goes inside, scans 100, not minus 32768, enters here, 100 added, goes over here, not checked anything, always true. Suppose I don't check anything, always true. Goes and enters 200, not equal to minus 32768, comes here, 200 added, goes over here, does not check anything, always true, scans 300, 300 not equal to minus 32768, so comes here, 300 added, comes over here, always true, so enters again, scans minus 32768, equal to minus 32768, enters the loop, enters the if block, break encounters, goes out. So 100, 200 and 300 is added. I do not need to check anything over here. So what can I write? I can always write it is always true while what? 1 means true, always true. This is a new thing you are learning. While 1, always true. You are conditioning. When a condition is true, you remember I told you previously, when a condition is true, it is evaluated to 1. Say 5 equal to 5 is 1. 5 equal to 4 is 0. I told you previously this thing in one of my previous lectures. So while 1 means while always true. If you want to make it false always, while 0, but that is hardly needed. Why do you want to make while 0, while always false? But while always true, you don't need to check anything, you don't need to check any condition. Keep on repeating the loop. Inside the loop, if you find the condition, you will break out. So the logic of this program is, here you are saying run an infinite loop. Here you are saying run the loop which is infinite, which will never end. While an unconditional loop, this is just an unconditional loop, always true. You enter this always, you go to the end, again come back, again true, again enter, again come back, again true, again enter. Infinitely it will continue. Within the loop, I will have a condition to check that whether I need to end. If I find that there is a condition to end, I will break out. That is what it is. So this program will run fine. I will explain to you with an example. See what I am trying to say. I enter next val, initialize next val to 0. So while 1, I enter this while loop. I scan next val, I scan this next val, any number. You can avoid writing equal to 0 this time, because you are not checking for next val without initializing it. So what I am doing is, I am seeing while 1 means while always true. It enters. It scans next val, the first number being scanned. So the first number is maybe 100. As I said, let me take that example, 100, 200, 300. Condition always true, enters first time, scans 100, which means that it is not equal to minus 32768. So it enters, does not enter over here. 100 added to sum, 100 added to sum, again enters. So again true, again enters means while 1, it is always true. Scanf, enters, scans 200. 200 equal to minus 32768. True or false? False. Goes over here, 200 added. While 1, always true. Scans 300. 300 equal to minus 32768. False. 300 added. Goes here, always true. Scans minus 32768. Minus 32768, breaks out. So it's an infinite loop which is broken by the condition. Let me run this program. Say that example, 100, 200, 300, and now I want to end minus 32768. The sum is 600. You check out with any other example, say 21, 3, 49, 94, 3 again, 9, 90, 29, 21 again, 12. Now I want to end minus 32768. What will be the sum? 21 plus 3, 24, plus 49, that is 73, plus 94, that is 167, plus 3, 170, plus 9, 179, plus 90, 269, plus 29, 298, that plus 21, 319, plus 12, 331. The sum is 331, is absolutely correct. So I can go out of this thing, and I think we can end over here. We can take a break, bit of break over here, and come back with the next program.